Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. In today's session, we will be discussing another important C++ program to perform pop operation on stack data structure. Well, in our previous video, we have discussed how to insert an item into the stack data structure. So first of all, what do you mean by the stack data structure? Stack is an ordered collection of items in which items are inserted and deleted from the same end. That end is called as a top end, and the opposite end is called as a base. So insertion and deletions are takes place from the same end. Okay, that end is called as top end. Stack data structure follows the principle of LIFO, stands for last in, first out. Last in, first out. There are so many live examples we have for the stack is wearing of bangles by girls, okay, stack of books, stack of plates, stack of shirts, okay, putting batteries into a torch one by one, 1, 2, 3. So in order to remove the batteries from the shell, so torch first will come as 3, then will come 2, then will come 1. These are all of the best example for the stack data structure. So have a look at the C++ program. So there are 4 different header files we have made use in this program. The first one is hash include iostream.h, stands for input output stream header file. And the second one is hash include conio.h, stands for console input output header file. Third one, hash include stdlib.h, stands for standard library header file. We are using one exit function in this program. For that purpose, we are adding a stdlib.h. And the fourth one is hash include iomanip.h, stands for input output manipulators. Here I'm using setw function. So for that purpose, the supporting header file must be added in the beginning of the program. Fine. So the next move on to the fifth line, hash define max of 3. This line indicates that we are defining the size of stack is maximum of 3. We are defining the size of stack is 3, which can store maximum of 3 elements. Okay, s of 0, s of 1, and s of 2. Hardly 3 elements can be stored into the stack data structure. So then comes the declaration of a class. A class is a user-defined data type which can hold both data and functions. Fine. So here in this program, class is a keyword and stack is a name of the class. Some 2 data members were declared here. A of max. A of max means A of 3. That means which can store of hardly of 3 elements like A of 0, A of 1, and A of 2. Right. And one more variable they have declared, that is a top. Top is a variable that is of type integer data type. Okay. Through that and only elements are inserted and deleted. Got the point? Then comes we have declared as constructor member function in this program. Okay. So you all know the term. What do you mean by constructor? Constructor is a special member function of a class that is used to initialize the objects of a class automatically. Fine. So, and we have just declared 3 member functions. There, have a look at this: void push int item, void print, void pop. 3 member functions were declared inside the class, and they are going to define outside the class. Got the point? So first, the C++ program execution starts from which particular line? Void main function, right? So have a look at void main. Void main is here, the next page, okay? So void main, open flower bracket, stack, one blank space, C. Stack is a name of class and capital C is an user-defined object. We have created an object to access the member function. In order to access a member function, push member function, pop member function, print member function, one has to make use of an object. Okay, so object name dot is a member access operator, then member function name. So for that purpose, we are going to create an object here. Once you create an object, directly it will take you to the constructor member function. Here, it comes here. So and the rule says that class name and constructor name must be identical. The same thing here we have stack is a name of class and stack is a constructor member function name. And constructor must be declared in which section? Public section. That is what the same thing we have done here. In public section only we are just declaring, okay, stack member constructor member function, open flower bracket. What we are doing, top is equals to -1. Top is a variable that is of declared of integer type. What we are doing here, we are just assigning a value. Top is equals to -1. Okay. Top is a variable that is assigned, initialized as -1. Okay. So close flower bracket. Again, it comes to the void main function here. So then two variables I have declared, choice and element. Choice and element are the two variables of type integer. Then while of one. So we have given a four beautiful options, one for push, two for pop, three for print the stack, and four for exit. There are four main options are there. If you press one means it is asking you to please provide the inserting element. If you press two means it is going to remove the element which is stored in the last. Okay. The next, if you press three means it is going to display the content of the stack data structure. If you press 4 means it is exiting from the program. These are the four options, one for push, two for pop, three for print, four for exit. Got the point? So again, it is going to ask the message, see out stream insertion, enter your choice. Enter your choice, backslash and double quotation close, and with semicolon. Say for example, I am inputting as 1. I am inputting as 1. 1 will be stored in which variable? Choice variable. Choice is a variable of type integer data type. So here comes the switch statement. Switch of choice means switch of 1. So it matches. So it checks with the case, different cases. There are 4 different cases are there. If none of the cases are matching means it is going to execute which one? Default statement. Okay. So I have given the value as 1. 1 is stored in choice. That is going to check here. So of course, the first case is going to match. So I have to execute these 4 statements. See out, stream insertion within the double quotation, enter the item, backslash n, double quotation close, and with the semicolon. Say for example, I'm inputting an element called as a 10. 10 is stored in which variable? Element. Okay. In the next line, C, capital C is an user defined object. Object of which class? Stack class. Dot is a member access operator. Push is a member function with how many arguments they are passing? Only one argument, that is ELE. What exactly ELE is carrying? 10. So the 10 will just it passes from this main function to that member function. So the member function is here. Push member function is here. Have a look at this line. Void is the return type specifier. Stack is the name of class. And these two colons are called as a scope resolution operator. Push int of item. Okay. What value has been passed from main function to this member function? 10. Okay. The 10 will be copied to item. Next line, open flower bracket, straight away condition. If top is equals to max minus 1. This is called as a comparison operator. When you are having 2 equals to, you must call it as a comparison operator. Top is equals to max minus 1. What is the value of top? Top is -1. Okay, is equal to max minus 1. So max is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. That means -1 is equals to 2. -1 is equals to 2. Condition false. Condition false means I won't execute this cout and return statement because my condition is false. So I'll execute this. Top plus plus. Top plus plus means initially top is -1. Okay, -1 plus 1, it becomes 0. See, do remember during the process of insertion, every time top goes on increases by +1. First time it is -1, then comes 0, then 1, then 2, like this. Every time top goes on increases by +1. Now top plus plus means this time top becomes 0. -1 plus 1, it becomes 0. Fine. A of top is equals to item. A of top means A of 0. A of 0 is equals to item. Okay. The new value that will be stored in which location? A of 0. Okay. See out. Say for example, we have inputted an element called as 10. 10 is successfully pushed. Backslash and double quotation close and with semicolon. This flower bracket indicates that the end of push member function. Again, it comes here. 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit. Enter your choice. Again, this time, again, I'll input as 1. Okay. So again, if I input 1 means, so it will be taking me to the switch statement. So it is asking enter the item. Enter the item. This time I'll input as 20. Last time I have entered 10 and this time I'm going to input as 20. Again, it goes to the C dot push of element. C is a user defined object, dot is a member access operator, push is a member function. Element means 20 is carrying from this main function to that member function. Again, it comes to this one. Void stack scope resolution operator push int item open flower bracket. If top is equals to max minus 1, what is the value of top? Last time it was -1, this time 0. Okay, last time it was, first time it was -1, then 0. 0 is equals to max minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 0 is equals to 2. Condition false. Condition false means I won't execute these two. When the condition is true means I will execute this statement and this statement. But now the condition is false. Again, it goes here top plus plus. That means top is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. A of top means A of 1 is equal to item. That means 20 will be stored in which location? A of 1. Last time we have stored at 10. 10 is stored at A of 0 and 20 is stored at A of 1. So the same thing I'm going to display with the help of cout statement, cout stream insertion. 20 is successfully pushed. Backslash n double quotation close end with semicolon. This close flower bracket indicates that end of push member function. Again, it comes to here 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit, enter your choice. And again this time, instead of going with 1, I'll just press 3. See, what are all elements we have inserted? 2 elements. One is 10, another one is 20. Still, I can add one more element, but I'm not going with a push. I'm going with a print stack. That means I just wanted to know what are all elements are stored in a stack data structure. It has to display stack contains 10, 20, isn't it? Because we have just added only 2 elements. Fine. So this time enter your choice means I'm going to input as 2, as you all, 3. 3 means print the stack. So have a look at the 3 means print the stack. 3 means directly it goes to switch off. 3 means it matches with the first case, no. It matches with the case 2, no. It matches with the case 3. Yes, it matches. C dot print. C is an user defined object. Dot is a member access operator. Print is a member function. Okay. So print is a member function. Directly it goes to the print member function. It comes here. Okay. Void is the return type specifier. Stack is a class name. These 2 colons are called as a scope resolution operator. Print is a member function. Open flower bracket. If top is not equal to -1, what is the value of top? 1. What is the value of top? 1. 1 is not equal to -1. Yes, it is true. 1 is not equal to -1. Yes, it is true. True means I need to execute these 3 statements. Cout stream insertion within the double quotation stack contains will print as it is on the output device. Cursor comes to the next line because of \n. Next, for I is equal to 0, semicolon, I is less than or equal to top, I plus plus. What is the value of I? I is 0. And what is the value of top? Top is 1. 0 is less than 1. Yes, it is true. When for loop is true means I'm going to execute this cout statement. Cout stream insertion set w of 4. Set w of 4 means which is going to give you a 4 horizontal blank spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horizontal blank space. For that purpose, we have added an header file called as iomanip.h in the beginning of the program, isn't it? Stream insertion A of I. A of I means A of 0. What exactly value stored in A of 0? 10. 10 is going to print. Cursor comes to the next line because of endl. Again, it goes to for loop and I gets increased by +1. I becomes now 1. 1 is less than or equals to 1. Yes, it is true. Because of equal to sign, the condition is true. True means again the cout statement will execute for the one more time. Cout stream insertion. Again, how many blank spaces? 4 horizontal blank spaces. If you input 5 means here in the pair of parentheses, it is going to leave you 5 blank spaces. Stream insertion A of I. A of I means A of 1. What exactly element stored in A of 1? 20. 20 is going to print. Cursor comes to the next line because of endl. Again, it goes to for loop and I gets increased by +1. I becomes now this time 2. 2 is less than 3. Condition false. Condition false means it comes out of the print member function and executes this break. Break means it won't allow us to go and execute the rest of the statement. Okay. It won't go to the next statement. It will halt there itself and comes out of the switch statement and executes a get function. Okay. Again, 1 for push, 2 for print, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit. Enter your choice. So what are all elements we have just seen? Stack contains 10, 20. Because we have added only 2 elements, the same thing it is going to display. So this time I'll go with the 2. Enter your choice means I'll go with the 2. 2 means pop. That means to delete an element. So switch off 2 means directly it goes to the case 2 without going to the case 1 and case 3 and case 4. Directly it goes to case 2. C dot pop function. C is a user defined object. Dot is a member access operator. Pop is a member function. Directly it goes to the pop member function. There you can see here pop member function. Void, one blank space, stack, scope resolution operator, pop function. Void means does not return any value. A stack is a class name, colon represents a scope resolution operator because we are defining member function outside the class. For that purpose, we are making use of scope resolution. Pop is a member function, no arguments at all. So have a look at this open flower bracket. If top is equals to -1, what is the value of top? Top is 1. 1 is equals to -1. 1 is equal to -1, condition false. Condition false means I'm going to execute after the else part. Okay, so open flower bracket, int element is equals to a of top. Int element is equals to a of top. A of top means a of 1. What exactly is element stored in a of 1? 20. 20 will be assigned to which variable? Element. Element is a variable of type, it is integer type. That means that has to be deleted. Okay, the deleting element will be assigned to ELE, stands for element. Then comes top minus minus. During the process of deletion, do remember, during the process of deletion, every time top goes on decreases by -1. During the process of insertion, top goes on increases by +1, but whereas in the deletion, every time top goes on decreases by -1. That is why top minus minus, it becomes now top is 0. See out stream insertion element. Element means 20 is successfully popped from the stack data structure. \n double quotation close end with semicolon. This close flower bracket and this close flower bracket is for pop function. Again, 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit. Okay, again I'll go with a 2. Again, I'll go with the 2. Enter your choice means 2. So switch off 2 means directly it goes to case 2, C dot pop function. C is a user defined function. C is a user defined object. Dot is a member access operator. Pop is a member function. Directly it comes to the again pop member function here. So void stack scope resolution pop function. Open flower bracket. If top is equals to -1, last time 1, this time 0. 0 is equal to -1. 0 is equal to -1, condition false. Condition false means I'll execute after the else part. Open flower bracket. Int element is equal to a of top. Element is equal, a of top means a of 0. What exactly element stored in a of 0? 10. 10 is assigned to which variable? Element. Element is of type integer. That means the deleting element is assigned to the variable called as element. Top minus minus. Now top gets decreased by -1. 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. 0 minus 1 is equal to -1. See out stream insertion element, that is 10 is successfully popped. This indicates end of this function. Okay, again it goes to this break. This goes to break. That means it won't allow us to go execute the rest of the statement. It halts there itself and comes out. So 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit. Again I'll press 2 only. Still I don't have any elements. We have just deleted 20 and 10. Still I'm going with a pop. Okay, so enter your choice means 2. Switch off 2 means directly it goes to case 2. C dot pop member function. C is a user defined object. Dot is a member access operator. Pop is a member function. Directly it goes to the pop member function. Open flower bracket. If top is equal to -1, what is the value of top? -1. -1 is equal to -1. -1 is equal to -1. What? Yes, it is true. True means I need to execute these two statements. See out. Sorry, stack is empty. When stack data structure is empty, then how can you delete the element? There is no element into the stack data structure because we were having 2 elements. We have just deleted first time 20, then next time 10. Stack contains no elements at all. Still we are trying to delete. So it is going to display an appropriate message by saying that sorry, stack is empty, return. Okay, so it hits to the break statement. So it won't allow us to execute the rest of the cases. And it is going to display 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, and 4 for exit. So now this time if I input 4, enter your choice means this time if I input 4, I will get the message as So switch off 4 means case 4 matches no, here matches no, does not matches, here does not matches, and here in the case 4 it matches. First case does not match, second case does not match, third case does not match, and fourth case it matches. Matches means it is going to display a message, thank you, visit again. Exit of 0 means it exit from the program. Okay. So apart from these 4 cases, if I'm trying to input other than these number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit. If I enter a number that is not in the range of 1 to 4, say for example, I'm going to input as 7. I'm going to input as 7. So 7 is not there. It matches 7 is equal to 1. No, here matches no, here matches no, here matches no. None of the cases are going to match. At that time, it is going to execute the default statement. So if none of the cases are going to match means at that time, it is going to execute the default statement. What is the default statement? Have a look at this. Cout stream insertion within the double quotation, invalid choice. So you have inputted a number called as 7. 7 is not there in 7 is a not case. 7 is a number that is not present in this. Okay. So we have only 4 beautiful cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4. So if you can input number apart from 1 to 4, you are going to get the message as invalid choice, backslash and double quotation close, end with the semicolon. This flower bracket indicates that the end of switch, and this indicates end of while, and the last flower bracket indicates the end of void main. This is what the C++ program to perform push, pop, print, and exit, all 4 operations. 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for print, 4 for exit. Okay, thank you for watching this video.